Hey, DJ Mikey Mike with Directsound, and we're doing it from scratch today. Yeah, I just want to show you a really cool system that I have. I run a wireless system. I can cover a whole football field with music with 3 amp cases. It's really sick. You'll love it. It's FM wireless. It's something I came up with. I don't know if anybody else out there is doing it, but it's really slick. You can do indoor and outdoor with wireless. You can do all kinds of fun stuff. Matter of fact, I covered a whole motocross stadium with this wireless setup. You can also do drive-in movies. You can do a couple other different things. But I'll show you what I got, and just something to keep in the back of your mind. You might see something like this that you can pick up fairly cheap, and give it a shot. All right, stand by. I'll show you what we got. Okay, basically we have 3 amps. We have our main system, and then we have a remote amp on this side, and I have a remote amp case on this side. The amp case, as you can see, has an FM receiver in it. What I do is I tune the channel to a certain frequency, and then I have my FM transmitter project the music from the main sound system. And you notice this one here, there it is. We got a wireless microphone, an FM transmitter, or actually an FM receiver, and another amplifier. On the side of the amp case, I have a small port right here for an antenna, which I use. Okay, a small little antenna setup that I use, little rabbit ear style, that I hook into the little mount right there on the side. That receives a signal from my FM transmitter. It's a digital FM transmitter. You select the channel that you want, say 98.7. If there's not a frequency in your area that uses 98.7, you don't want to walk on anybody's radio station or the FCC will come down on you. This is a 25 milliwatt FM transmitter. It meets all the FAA requirements here in the US. They do make a version that's they export that is a 1 watt, which will cover a small island. This will basically cover about a mile square area. You use a small, it has a small built-in antenna in the back, or on top, little antenna, or it has an output for an antenna right here. That's what I use for big shows. I'm not sure where my antenna is right now. It also has two lines in. So what you can do with 2 lines in is you bring your DJ system into line 1. So all the music that you're playing from your DJ system goes into the FM transmitter, goes out the antenna, and you receive it into your remote speakers. So wherever you set your remote speakers, you'll have the same music coming out of your main system. So the more receivers you have, the more locations you can have. If you want to run a drive-in movie night, everybody pulls up their cars to the middle of the street. You tune their car radios to the right station. You put your video up out of your mixing board. You run your video out, and voila, you have a drive-in movie night. I do it all the time. I run 3 big screen movie projectors, and we have drive-in movie nights. So something to think about, FM wireless. Hey, doing it from scratch with DJ Mikey Mike. Don't forget, FM wireless transmission. It's really cool, wireless systems. It will go about a mile or so in a square, depending on where your antenna is positioned. You can have as many remote systems as you want and receive them all. So if you had 100 cars and they wanted to tune their radio station to a certain channel, like I did that at the motocross track, we were doing music in the background. People wanted to hear race announcements. They tuned the radio to a certain channel, and they got all the race announcements. Plus, they got to hear great music. So all kinds of fun stuff from Directsound, wireless remote systems. Check it out. I'm DJ Mikey Mike with Directsound. Have a great day.